I have another tutorial for you using Cricut Design Space and Planners Anonymous Creative Digital Kit or Digital Creative Kit, whichever one it is. It's their digital kit. So while I'm waiting for my Halloween goodies to come from Planners Anonymous, the physical items that I ordered, I'm going to go ahead and play with the digital creative kit, which is super fun. So I already did a video on how to like make washi strips out of digital art, digital paper specifically. But now I want to show you how I make planner stickers for my planner, some deco stickers using the clip art from the digital kits. So your files, I'm on a Mac, but even if you're on Windows, you can navigate to where you're downloaded your creative kit. And I have here artwork, I have papers, quotes, and WordFetti. So I'm going to go to, well, I'm not going to go to anything right now. I'm going to go to um, Cricut Design Space first. I have a nice blank canvas here, and I'm going to show you how to upload some of the clip art so you can print your own planner stickers. So I'm going to click upload here, upload image. I'm going to navigate to where they are. I think I'm going to get some WordFetti. Let's see, eat, drink, and be scary, fabulous, girlfriend, how cute. Kind of want a pink one if you've got it haunted, sure. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to drag it into this rectangle here in Cricut Design Space. Now, the beauty of Planners Anonymous digital kits is the clip art, they are PNG file formats. And so it's wonderful because you don't have to worry about um, deleting backgrounds. Like with PNGs, they have transparent backgrounds. And so it's a great file format to make your stickers in. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue. I don't have to worry about this background remover that's on the left-hand side because I don't have a background because it's a PNG file. So I'm just going to simply continue by clicking apply and continue. I'm going to use a flat graphic because I want to do print and cut, continue, and then upload. And it'll appear here on your canvas. Okay, so I'm going to do it one more time. Upload, upload image, navigate to my files. Resting witch face is awesome. Drag that over here. Click continue, apply and continue. Select flat graphic, continue, and load. Just like that. Okay. There are some the part that I've already done that process with, and I've already. So in order to pick those images that are already uploaded to Cricut Design Space, I'm going to go ahead and go here to the upload again. But then here I have some images, okay? So but I want to see all of them. How do I see all of them? Oh, view. Um, okay, perfect. So if I want this little Spidey, I can click on this plus button and it's going to add it to my canvas. You can see right here it says added to canvas. Perfect. I'm going to want this little house, this lollipop, cauldron, geese, potion, the goat, the spooky season ticket, more potion, some candles. I think that's good. So those were all added to my canvas and I can click view and they're all right here. Okay, so that's because I've already uploaded all of these. So they are going to appear nice and ginormous. And so we are going to want to resize them for our planner. So I'm just going to kind of separate them just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use my Control A to select them all. That way I can make it smaller all at one time. I think that'll be easier. All right, just so I can have some room here. So we've got this one, which is stinking cute. And then we have this. And then we have baby. Okay, so how big is this? This is way too big. It's 3 inches wide, or 2.5 inches wide. So we want everything to be a lot smaller. So let me go ahead and just select all so I can kind of get them smaller. Let's see where we're at now. About 2.25. Okay, I think that's a good size. And then this one is 1.78. Do I want it spanning across more than one vertical box? Maybe not. But maybe I do. Okay, so let's see, 178. I'm gonna make it 1.4 or something like that. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller so this can fit in a vertical box. Okay, then we have our spider, which we definitely want smaller because we don't want big spiders on the page because they're gonna scare us. Okay, potion, potion, yes. So I know I want these two to be small, little, cute little stickers, just like that. Well, that's small and cute. Okay, and then the cauldron, want it to be cute too, so I want to make it smaller. And then the little ghosties are so cute, little ghosties. Okay, so let's make them small but not too small. Small but not too small. Oops. Okay. And then the candles, I love them. I love everything. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay. And then this house, so cute. So we're just making little stickers so they'll look super cute on our planner. This can stay kind of big, and this is cute. We'll leave it this size. Okay. So there we go. And then we want to make them into stickers. Now, if you want to do this fast and easy, then you'll want to be a Cricut Access member, which is a paid membership that you can pay annually or monthly. I wish this just came with the free version. It would be really nice, but it doesn't. It's a paid version tool to make stickers, but it does make it super duper cooper easy. So I do recommend it, unfortunately. Now, if you went the silhouette route, you could do it with basic silhouette programs, but we're talking Cricut now. And this is a new tool that they've added like not too long ago. It's fairly new, so it requires Cricut Access. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all. I'm going to go create a sticker and check it out. I want to do a kiss cut. That means it cuts through the sticker paper only, leaving the liner intact. The liner is the backing of the sticker. Okay, so that you can peel your stickers away from the liner instead of cutting out a whole bunch of little stickers. Okay, so we want kiss cut. And then I want there to be a border, so I'm going to select a thin border. Okay, perfect. And I want to apply. Now I'm going to take a look at these because sometimes I have clip art a little too close and it'll group them together and cut them together, and I want to make sure that doesn't happen. So these look great. All right, just out of curiosity, I'm going to click make, and it's saying it's too large for my printing cut. Lovely. Okay. And if you click alert here, it'll say that it has to be 9.93 9.93 inches. Okay. So, okay. And I think all I have to do is down here, and you can move things around. Double click to move things, because again, this is a sticker sheet. Okay, it's going to take a little bit. It's going to think. Perfect. And then now you can see that a little way over here. I just wanted us to rearrange these a little bit more. So if I click make, I'm not going to Okay, so here we are. We have the printed sticker that came out of my printer. And then there's a little arrow right here. And that just shows you, that this part of the registration mark goes in the upper left-hand corner. So in other words, you're not going to do it like this and then feed it into your Cricut. You want to make sure this is in the arrows in the upper left corner. I'm just going to align this here just like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it into my Cricut Joy Extra and it will cut it out and we'll be right back. Okay, so it finished cutting and I noticed that it cut a little offset. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I really don't know why, but I'm going to show them to you anyway. So I like to take my sticker paper off my mat like this so that I don't curl my sticker paper. I'd rather curl the mat. I think one of the stickers cut all the way through. I think I noticed that a little bit. Okay, so if this happens to you, where it cuts deeper in some area, I have no idea why. What I normally do is I just get some clear packing tape and I just put it right here on the backing. For right now, since I have clear packing tape, but I don't have it like right in front of me. So I'm just going to use some washi that I happen to have right here just to kind of demonstrate. I just put clear packing, pretend this is clear packing tape, and I just put it like this. Um, and then your sticker sheet is fine. And then for some reason, I like to separate the negative sticker paper, the part that you just throw out, from the stickers, because I feel like they're easier to pick up this way. So you can see it cut really nice, but um, it didn't cut centered, which is a little disappointing, but that's just, my machine. Um, the process is still good, but sometimes it does that. Sometimes it cuts it perfectly. The last stickers that I cut happened to cut perfectly. So I know I went real fast with that, but I have two here. I'll just grab them and put them on here. Two little stragglers. So you can kind of see it's not, throw this away. It didn't cut like spot on centered. Let's see if you can see that. Can you? There we go. So it's off centered. Bugs me, but the process is still the same. The way I created the stickers is still the same. These ones aren't so bad. But see how they come up easier if you take off the negative space? And then you can just plop it in your planner. And that's how you make stickers using Cricut Design Space. Nice and easy. Where do I want this? I have no idea, but I think right there is just perfect. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.